let's start. So at first we'll be discussing about what is the standard form of linear equation in two variable. Standard form of linear equations in two variables. Okay, the way there is a standard format of everything. Once you will start writing, start learning how to write the letter application. So there is a standard format which you have to follow, where exactly you will be writing the address, where exactly you will be writing the name, content, where exactly you will write the content, how exactly it will look like. There is a standard format of writing the letter, of writing the application. Similarly, in mathematics also we are having a standard format of quadratic equation, standard format of linear equation in two variables. So here we will be discussing about linear equation in two variables, how exactly it looks like. It looks like ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. This is the standard form of linear equation in two variable. For example, 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equals to 0. This is one of the example. Okay, where if some, like if anyone will ask that what is a, what is b, what is c, we will be able to say that the coefficient of x, which is 2, that is a. Okay, here a is 2, b is coefficient of y, that means 3. Okay, and c is just the constant number without any x and y, that is 5. Okay, similarly let me give you few more example. Suppose we are having 3x plus 5y is equals to 20. We can write it in a standard format of linear equation in two variables. We can write it like 3x plus 5y, and the 20 which is sitting on the other side, we can bring it to this side. It will be minus 20 over here is equals to 0. Now if the question is what is a, what is b, what is c, we will say the coefficient of x is a, coefficient of y is b, and just the constant number, that is 20, along with the sign. Okay, that is, so c is minus 20. Okay, now let's see a few more example. Suppose we will be having just 2 is equals to 3y, and the question is represent it in linear, it represent it in a standard form of linear equation in two variable. Okay, we have to write it in a standard form of linear equation in two variables. So we will be writing it like this: 2x minus 3y, and then c is not there, so plus 0 we will write out by ourselves is equals to 0. Now the question is, see carefully why we did so, because we wanted to make this pattern ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Now if the question is what is a, what is b, what is c, who will say what is a, what is b, what is c over here?
Ma'am, A
Ma-
is 2, B is negative 3, and C is 0.
Perfect. Now the example is, suppose our example is 2x is equals to 3. Okay, and still we need to represent it in a standard form. So we will be representing it 2x, but y is not there. So what if y is not there? We will create by ourselves 0 into y, we can write by ourselves. We are not
Yes,
doing
ma'am.
any changes. Okay, we are just changing the representation, because we
Fine.
have to represent it in standard form. Yes, Tejas, minus 3 is equals to 0. Now
Yes.
still the question, what is a, what is b, what is c? Please tell me.
Ma'am, A is 2, B is 0, and C is minus 3.
Perfect. Now, if our example can also look like this, example can also look like this: 5y is equals to 8. Okay, and represent it in a standard form. This will be the instruction. How will be representing it in the standard form? Yes. Anyone?
Ma'am, x is 1, like x is 1, y is 5, and like c is 0. I'm sorry,
X is
a is
1.
1, a is 1, y is 5, and c is 0.
A is 1, Sazia. First, we will write it in standard form. That is 0 into x. X term is not there. We are trying to create x term. So we will write 0 into x. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
X term is not there. If you are saying that 1 into x you want to write, please don't write. 1 into x means x. And x is not there in the actual original equation. X is not there. So we
Ma'am, can I see?
we have just one option. We can write 0 into x by ourselves plus 5 into y minus this
Ma'am,
8 is equals to 0. Yes,
ma'am, 0.x is same, like 0.x.
what you said?
Ma'am, 0 point
0
x. Point x.
point. That is not point, Tejas. That is multiplication. If you are writing point, if you
Yes,
are
ma'am.
giving multiplication sign, it's the same thing. Okay,
Okay.
anywhere you will see this type of point, no, you have to understand this is not decimal. This
Yes.
is 0 point x is not there. 0 into x is there. This is multiplication. We write, sometimes we represent multiplication with dot. Okay.
Okay.
So 0 into x plus 5y minus 8 is equals to 0. This is how we can represent it in standard form. Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0.
Yes.
Now what is a, what is b, what is c?
Ma'am, A is 0,
A
B
is
is
0,
5.
c is minus 8.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So here the like main thing is you have to understand that we cannot write 1 into x over here. It will be 0 into x. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next question. Suppose we are having suppose we are having let's say 2x is equals to 0. Okay. Please tell me how to represent it in a standard form. Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. How to write it in a
Ma'am,
standard
can I
form?
see?
Yes, Tejas, you can.
2x plus
Plus
0 into y
yes, 0 into y. Then
plus 0
yes,
is equal to 0.
yes. What is a? What is b? What is c?
Ma'am, A is 2,
Yes,
B is 0,
yes.
C is 0.
Yes. Okay. So this is how we will represent this example. 2x is equals to 0 is there. If we want to represent it in the standard form, that is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. You need to understand one thing, that if y is not there, we cannot write. If 2x, like the same example I am writing over here, 2x is equals to 0. If y term is not there, we can create it. We can write 0 into y, but we will never ever write 1 into y. Okay, we will not write
Yes.
1 into y. 1 into y means plus y. 1 into x or 1 into y, it means 1 into x means just x. 1 into y means just y,
Just y.
which is not there. Okay, it's not there. That's why we are bound to write 0 into x, 0 into y over here, because 0 into y is 0. So are we doing any changes over here? No, we are adding 0. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
In the given equation, what we are doing? We are adding 0. Will it change our equation? No.
No, ma'am.
Everyone getting it?
Getting it, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
getting it? Okay. Yes, Sazia, got it?
Yes,
Sazia, okay. So this is how we will write the given equation in standard form, that is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Okay, now if the equation, for example, if the equation is x minus y by 3, is equals to 4. Let's write it in a standard form. Okay, tell me what will be the equation in a standard form.
Ma'am, can I see?
Please tell me. Yeah,
X minus
x minus
1 by 3
1 by 3,
plus 4.
1 by 3 into y will be there.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
plus 4 is equal to 0.
Yes. Just a second. Masha, what happened? Yes. Yes, Rumaisha. Okay, let's continue.
Ma'am,
Yes. So we were discussing that how to represent the given equation in a standard form, that is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Now the next part is, yes, Tejas, you wanted to say anything? Ma'am, it will be. Oh yeah, this question I have given to you. Here, how to represent it in a standard form? X minus 1 by 3. Yeah. It will be x minus 1 by 3 y plus 4 is equals to 0. Is it plus
ma'am,
4
it will be,
or
yeah,
minus
it
4?
will be minus 4.
Yes. And what is A, what is B, what is C?
Ma'am, A is 1, B is minus 1 by 3, and C is minus 4.
Okay, yes, these are A, B, C. Yes, now the next concept over here is the solution of linear equation in two variables. Whenever you are having linear equation in one variable, no, that is 2x plus 5 is equals to 20. And if I will ask you what is the solution, what is the x value, will you be able to take out x value from here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is the x value?
Ma'am, we can.
Ma'am, 7.5.
It is
Is it 2?
7.5.
7.5. Yes, it is. Okay. 20 minus 5 is 15 by 7. Yeah, it is 7.5. It is 15 by 2. X value is 15 by 2 or 7.5. Okay. So here you see how easily we are able to calculate a specific be possible. This will not be possible when we will be having linear equation in two variable. Now the one of the example, let me give it to you. X minus y is equals to 20, and I will ask you what is that particular x value, what is that particular y value which will satisfy this equation, which is the solution of this linear equation in two variable. So it will be really difficult to find. You can say me that x value can be 10, y value can be 10. This is one of the possibility.
Yes.
Another possibility is x value can be 15, y value can be 5. Another possibility is anything. X value can be 18, y value can be 2. Another possibility can be any other thing. X value can be 19, y value. Wait. Subtraction I have
Ma'am, there
written
will
and
be
I am taking
infinitely
it
many
addition.
solutions, right?
Yes.
Wait. Addition I wanted to write over here. X plus y is 20. That's accordingly I am taking the possible cases. Yes, x is 10, y is 10. 10 plus 10 added together is going to make 20. Next, x is 15, y is 5. For 15 and 5 added together will make 20. X is 18, y is 2. 18 and 2 added together will make 20. Okay, see
Yes,
the
ma'am.
example, x plus y is 20. X is 19, y is 1. 19 and 1 added together will make 20. Okay, now x is 18.5 and y is 1.5. This two also added together will make 20. So how many possible answers are there? Infinitely many possible answers are there. Okay, if I will show you the graph of x plus y is equals to 20, or if I will show you the graph of linear equation in two variable, maybe the graph will look like this. And here all those point in coordinate geometry chapter you must have learned that
Ma'am,
here is a coordinate, here is a coordinate, here is a coordinate. Yes, Tejas, I am coming. Here is a coordinate, here there is a coordinate. These all are the coordinates. So all these point are the solution of this linear equation in two variable. Now you must be thinking how why I have drawn a line. See, we can plot the graph of any equation. Okay, that part is omitted from coordinate geometry. Previously, in your standard, student used to make the graph also, but now it is just removed from the syllabus. So
yes.
with this type of equation, we can plot the graph in coordinate by taking out few coordinates. And these all the point which I have represented over here, these all are the solution of the given equation. And not only this much, the graph is not limited till here. The graph will go here till infinity, here till negative infinity, and all those point whatever is sitting are the solutions. That's why we say that linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. There are so many x and y values. There are like so many possible x and y values are there which will satisfy our equation. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
one and only one answer we won't be able to find. Okay, now the
Yes, ma'am.
next
Got it.
portion is we will be finding How many solutions are there for linear equation? Suppose I will give you this question, 2x plus 5 is equals to 30. And I will ask you how many possible solutions are there.
Infinite.
Option A, one solution. Option B, two solution. Option C, infinitely many solutions.
Ma'am,
Infinitely
infinitely
many.
many.
Ma'am, infinitely many solutions.
Yes, linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solution. Now in this the same question paper, if I will give you this 5x plus 8 is equals to 32, and again I will ask you how many solutions are there. One solution, two solutions, C, infinitely many solutions, and D, none of these. Can you tell me?
One.
Ma'am, infinitely
Yes.
many solutions.
Will it be infinitely many? Will it be one? Here,
Ma'am,
one
one.
solution.
Ma'am,
Because
one.
we can
Ma'am, for
solve
this
this
one
equation.
solution.
We can solve this equation and we can take out a particular, a specific x value. Okay, that's why for this particular example, we will say that yes, we can take out one x value. Not so many x value, one and only one x value we can find from here. And that's why one solution is possible over here. Only one solution. But for the
Okay.
previous scenario, infinitely many solutions are possible. So be careful how exactly your question looks like. Is it linear equation in two variable? Is it one variable or what? Okay.
Okay.
Now the next part is finding two solution, three solution, four solution of the given linear equation in two variables. So suppose example will be suppose let me take one example from the best from our book itself. Four solutions for each of the following equations. Number one is 2x plus y is equals to 7. Two is 5x plus y is equals to 9.
Ma'am, this is for from exercise 4.2, right?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Is x is equals to 4. Okay, we have to write four solutions. Now only we realize that there are infinitely many solutions for a particular linear equation in two variables. Here we have to just write four solutions, any four. Your answer, your friend's answer, my answer, everyone's answer can be different over here. Does because there are so many solutions. There are so many solutions, and we have to write four solutions. So the first solution, always we will write the first solution by taking, we will randomly by ourselves we will take x as a 0, and we will try calculating y value with the help of this equation. Whatever pair you will be getting, that will be one of the solution. Okay, let's find when we will substitute x as a 0 in the given equation. Why we are substituting x as a 0? Randomly we are substituting, okay, to get one of the solution. I'm showing you why we are doing so. Okay, so when we will substitute x as a 0, 2 into 0 plus y is equals to 7. Y value will be just 7. When we have substituted x as a 0, we ended up getting y as a 7. So this is one of the solution. Okay, this is one of the solution. If you want to check, please check it. Solution means Solution means such a x and y value which we will substitute on one of the side, and all or the left side right side both will come same. Check it. We are having 2x plus y is equals to 7, and now only we figured it out, the rectangular box one, x0 and y7 is a solution. Check it. When we will substitute x as a 0 and y as a 7, yes, left hand side and right hand side are coming out same.
Ma'am, I
Same.
have
Yes
submitted.
or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Solution का मतलब क्या होता है? Solution means such a x and y value which you will substitute in the equation, and your left side right side will be same.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
called solution. It will satisfy your equation. Previously recall, we have taken one of the example, x plus y is equals to 20, and we called that x equals to 10 and y is equals to 10 is one of the solution. Why? Because when we will substitute these two value, we will be getting the right hand side. ऐसे ही point को solution बोलते हैं. Okay, such points are called solution. We have also, we said that we figured it out that x equals to 12 and y is equals to 8. This one is also one of the solution. Why we said it solution? Because with when we will substitute x as a 12 and y as a 8, our left side and right side will be same, and that is the meaning of the solution, that it will satisfy our equation. Like this, how many solutions are there? Infinitely many solutions are there. Okay, and here we just want to find 4 solutions. Whenever you
Ma'am,
have to find 2 solutions or 4 solutions. Yes, Irsha.
ma'am, can we write x is equal to 1, comma y is equal to 5?
Let me finish. I'm coming. So why we are doing this? Uh,
Ma'am, I have found the first question for solution. I'm finding for the second one.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. We can.
Yes, everyone, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
I'm showing. Yes, Irshad, whatever you said, we'll be doing that.
Ma'am, I'm writing here.
Ma'am, I cannot see a screen.
I'm trying to see. Just a second. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Our equation 2x 2x was graph. At first we are trying to find this point. What is the point where x is 0? Okay, what is that point? Like this 2 point, the point which I have pointed over here, no, this 2 point at first we want to find, because these 2 points are very 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 important. Let me show you how many solutions are there. ध्यान से देखो कितने सारे solutions है. दिख रहा है कैसे coordinates change हो रहे हैं?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
see how the coordinate is
Yes,
changing,
ma'am.
getting changed?
Yes, ma'am.
These are portion only you can see it is just the graph is continuing itself, like on the top of the bottom also graph will continue like this. And we see so many solutions. For finding four solutions, x is 0, what is y? When y is 0, what is x? These 2 points are that important. In future, in class 10, I will tell you why these points are very important. Now, for now, I can tell you that check, ध्यान से देखो. One of the point is wherever the graph is touching the y-axis, and another point is wherever the graph is touching the x-axis. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see it? One of the point is that point where the graph is touching the y-axis, and another point is that point where the graph is touching the x-axis. Can you see these two coordinates 0,
Yes,
7
ma'am.
and 3.5, 0?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's why whenever we have to find 3 solution, 4 solution, 2 solution, whatever be the solution, number of solution, at first we will try finding this 2 solution, because these 2 points are very important. These 2 are not random point. These 2 points are very important. That's why we will always find these 2 points at first. How to find this 2 point? So you are having an equation. Just take x equals to 0 by yourself and put it in the equation. Automatically you will end up getting one y value. You will say x 0 and y whatever you have found, that is one of the solution. Now the scenario, you take y as a 0 by yourself. By yourself you are taking y as a 0 for any question, not only this question. Okay, and try finding x value with the help of the given equation. Okay, when you will put y0 in the given equation, automatically there will be a x value in your hand with the help of the given equation, and you will say that that is also one of the solution. You are done with finding two most important solution. Now you can find the remaining solution. Now Irshad said that can we take x as a 1 and we can find y value? Yes, you can take x as a 1, you can find y value. That will be also one of the solution. You can take x as a 2 and you can try finding y value. That will also be the solution. Okay, Irshad, when we will take x as a 1, what will be y value? Can you tell me, Irshad?
What, ma'am?
When we will take x as a 1, then what will be the y value?
Ma'am, I didn't hear.
Find it. No, I am waiting. Find it. When we will take x as a 1, what will be y value? From the equation, you have to find y value. Yes, everyone. If you understand what I am trying to say, if you are understanding it, that x is a 1, then what is the y value? Then please find it. And if you are not getting it, I am coming and I will show it on the screen.
Ma'am, is it 5? Y is equals to 5.
Y is equals to 5. Is it y is equals to 5? Everyone getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
I'm going to show you that point. Just a second. Can you see this point? Can you see 1,5?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
अभी अभी मैंने बोला कि ग्राफ पे जितने भी पॉइंट्स है सारे ही सॉल्यूशंस हैं. Now only I said what all the points sitting on this line are called solution. And can you see now only you found one solution and it is sitting on the line? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. This.
So in
Yes,
future,
ma'am.
you will not get confused with the solution, this terminology, right?
Never know.
Okay, let's continue. Yeah, so
Well,
I said
found
to
for
you,
this also.
the one of the solution we have found by taking x as a 0, we ended up getting y as a 7. So 0 comma 7, this is one of the solution, and we have seen this point on the graph. Okay, next solution I am telling you, take y as a 0 and try finding x value. So you will find 2x plus y is there, y is 0 is equals to 7, 2x is equals to 7, x is
Ma'am, it's
equals
the
to
same.
x is equals to 7 by 2, that means 3.5.
7/2. Yes.
Yes. So when
Yes, ma'am.
x coordinate is 3.5, y coordinate is 0. This point also you must have seen on the graph, 3.5 comma 0. Yes or no?
Yes,
Two
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
solutions already we have got. Now the third solution, Irsad said that can we take x as a 1? Yes, we can. You can randomly take x as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I said to you, your answer, your friend's answer, it can vary, and that is completely fine. Okay, so x is a 1 and y value we will try finding with the help of the given equation, 2x plus y is equals to 7. Okay, let's do it. Here when we will substitute x as a 1, y value will be 2 into 1 plus y is equals to 7. That means y will be 7 minus 2. That means y will be 5, right? So we are getting we are getting 1 comma 5 as another solution. Now the last solution completely depends on you. I'm coming to each and every one. You have to tell me what is the last solution you have got. Okay?
Ma'am, can I see?
Yes, Tejas.
Ma'am, 2.5 comma
2.5 comma.
2.
We will check it. I will check. Is it a solution or not? Yes. Ifra, what you got? The last solution.
Ma'am, I'm
Three
doing.
solution. Okay. It's Shad.
Yes,
Safia,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
please tell me the last solution. It completely you can find any solution of your choice, any point. I am asking you what you have got. Sazia, Sarah, one by one, please tell me which point you got.
Ma'am, x is equal to 5 comma y is equal to 3.
5,3. Irshad said that. I will check it whether everyone's point is correct.
Can I say for the second one?
Yeah,
Ma'am,
Tejas,
I
please
got 3
continue.
comma 5.
Ma'am,
Sazia said 3
second
comma.
one.
Wait, 3
Okay.
comma. Sazia
5, 5.
5. Yes. Yes, Tejas, I'm coming to the second one. For, let them respond. You find all the 4 solution for the second one.
Yes, ma'am, for the second one and first one.
Yes, Ifra, Safia, Sarah. Safia, are you getting what exactly we are doing over here?
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing it. Ma'am, 4 and 1.
4 and 1. Yes. Sarah. Farhan, are you there?
Ma'am, I want to change my answer.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, 5 comma negative 3.
Ma'am, can you
Yes.
show the next question?
Okay, let me check 2x plus y is equals to 7. Let me check all the points are correct. Now I will check whether these are the solution which you have said to me. Is it satisfying the equation or not? So how I will check? I will substitute x as a 2.5, y as a 2, and I will check whether we are going to get the right hand side or not. That's how I will check, and that's how you have to check when the point will be given and it will be asked in the question. Is it a solution? How you will check? You will take the point, you will substitute in the equation, and you will check left hand side and right hand side are coming same or not. If it is coming same, yes, it's a solution. If it is not coming same, it's not a solution. Okay, so first let me check 2.5 into 2, 5. Yeah, this is correct. 5 comma negative 3, so 5 2 times 10 minus 3. Yeah, this is also correct. 3 comma 5 3 2 times 6. No, Sazia, this point is not correct. ध्यान से देखो इस पॉइंट को अगर इस इक्वेशन में पुट कर रहे हैं x के प्लेस पे 3 एंड y के प्लेस पे 5, are we generating 7? Are we?
I'm sorry, 2.5.
5. Let me check. X is 2 and y is 5. 2 times 4 plus 5. No, we are not generating 7, which is sitting on the other side. This point is not correct. 4
Ma'am.
comma 1. Let me check. 4
Ma'am,
comma 1. X.
instead of
4 2 times 8 1 9. No. No,
Ma'am, we
Safia.
can-
What about 4, 3? Sorry, 2, 3.
2, 3. Let me check. X is a 2 and
Ma'am,
y
it's
is a 2.
3 comma 1.
Yes, it is 2 comma 3 is fine. See, this is how we will find 2x plus y is equals to 7 is there. Randomly, if you are picking x as a 3, put it x as a 3. Both the value you don't have to pick randomly. Only either x value you will be picking randomly or y value. And the other one you have to take out from the equation. Then only it will be a solution. Okay, so randomly we have chosen x as a 3 and we are putting it in the equation x as a 3 and we are trying to calculate y value. Y value will come out as a 3 2 times 6. Y value will come out as a 1. So we will say that 3x as a 3 and y as a 1. 3 comma 1 is one of the solution. We are not sitting and guessing. We are just randomly taking one of the value. Maybe x you are randomly choosing and calculating y from the equation. Or y you are choosing randomly and x you are calculating from the equation. This is the only way to get a solution. Getting it? Yes, next is pi x plus y is equals to 9. Yes, Sazia, got it? Be careful while doing the calculation,
Yes,
Sazia.
Yes, ma'am.
Pi x plus y is equals to 9. Now only I said to you the two most important point we will be definitely will be finding over here. So when x is 0, y value we will be finding with the help of the given equation. So pi into 0 plus y is equals to 9. So pi into 0, pi is just a number. Okay. So y is equals to 9 we are getting. So x is a 0, y is a 9. 0 comma 9 is one of the solution and this solution is very important solution. Every student must get this solution, okay, at first. Now the next important solution is when y is 0, then what is x value? We will try finding it with the help of the given equation. pi x, y is 0 is equals to 9. X is equals to 9 by pi. Okay, and yes, this point is also very very important. However, like even if it looks like 9 by pi, what is exactly the value, we will keep it like this and we will say x 9 by pi and y 0. This is the other important solution. Now the third and the fourth solution you have to find.
Ma'am,
You can choose anything, x as any number, and you can try finding y. That will be the solution.
Ma'am.
Tell me.
I have found it.
Yes, Tejas.
Ma'am, the third solution is ma'am, I have not written in coordinates. I'll write and see. Just 1 second.
Yes, everyone, please find third and fourth solution. The first two solution, which is the most important, we have found. Third and fourth one completely depends on you. You can take x as a 1, you can take x as a 2, you can take x as a minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, anything. Okay, or maybe you can take y and you try finding x. Yes, Tejas.
Ma'am, 1,9 pi.
1,9 pi you
By
said?
pi. By
9
pi.
pi. Let's check it. अभी तेजस ने जो पॉइंट बोला ये एक सोल्यूशन है या नहीं, लेट्स चेक इट. ओके, सो पाई एक्स प्लस वाई इज इक्वल्स टू 9. He is telling that x he has taken 1 and y he ended up getting 9 by pi. So how we will check? We will substitute at the place of x I will put, just a second, Tejas, 1, and at the place of y I will put 9 by pi, and I will check are we going to get the other side or not. Okay, so 5 plus 9 by 5.
Ma'am,
Just a second. They just a minute.
ma'am, I said it wrong. That's why.
Oh yeah, please tell me.
It is 1,9 minus pi.
Yes, it is 9 minus pi. See, other side we are not able to generate.
Yes.
Pi plus 9 by pi का result 9 नहीं होगा. Okay. Now he corrected it and he said that y is 9 minus 5. Let me write it over here. Y he said it's 9 minus 5. So pi plus 9 minus pi. Yeah, we are getting 9. Check it.
Ma'am, and the
Confused. Yes. Please don't get confused. This is how we are checking it. If a point is given and the question is it a solution? Then this is how you can check. However, for finding the solution, only this is steps you have to follow. The first one, the second one, then the third one. Third one, x you can take 1 and you can try finding y value. Pi x plus y is equals to 9. Okay, x value is 1. Y will be, check it, 9 minus 5. Yes, Tejas, next solution.
The last one is 7 by pi, comma 2.
Let me check. I'm checking it. Don't get confused with my checking part. Okay, why I'm showing you the checking part? Because this type of question exists. At 7 by pi comma 2. Let me make the question. Is 7 by pi comma 2 is a solution of pi x plus y is equals to 9? Yes or no? Tell me.